Onye ọma njem ọnụ ekene m gị ịsaalachi ịbọọlachi ndewo ebe ọbụla ị nọ wee na-ekiri m na-asị gị nnọọ. Okwu anyị taa bụ Mgbeeke. Our word for today is Mgbeeke. 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 Mgbeeke is a name in Igbo, even though old-fashioned. It's a name of a person, meaning Mgbeeke. Eke is one of the market days in Igbo culture. One of the market days we have in Igbo is Eke. Then Mgbo is a girl, female, that was born on Eke day. So she is named Mgbeeke. 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 Today, people no longer bear the name. What happens? They now use it as insult. So if you are old-fashioned, if you do not know how to dress, people will call you Mgbeeke, old-fashioned. So the word Mgbeeke now means old-fashioned. Old-fashioned. Mgbeeke. Ibu Mgbeeke. You are Mgbeeke. You are old-fashioned. Obu Mgbeeke. She is Mgbeeke. She is old-fashioned. Nenu Mgbeeke. Look at this Mgbeeke. Negodu Mgbeeke. Look at this Mgbeeke. Abum Mgbeeke. Imana abum Mgbeeke. I am old-fashioned. You know I'm old-fashioned. Imana abum Mgbeeke. You know I'm old-fashioned. Abum Mgbeeke. I am old-fashioned. Unu bu Mgbeeke. You guys are old-fashioned. Happen that. Leave those people. Habu Mgbeeke. They are old-fashioned. Aburom Mgbeeke. I'm not Mgbeeke. I am not old-fashioned. I hope you learned something today. You can also mention somebody's name. Flogsy bu Mgbeeke. Nkechi bu Mgbeeke. Flogsy is Mgbeeke. Nkechi is Mgbeeke. So this is it for today. Please like my page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Que